Hello and welcome back, I'm Sean, and open earbuds are a really niche, important genre of earbuds, especially for those who want good audio quality with environmental awareness. And today we're checking out one from Tronsmart to see if the OpenFly 2 Pro is a good option. So let's check it out. So the first thing that I really enjoy about these earbuds is the build quality that you get with this case. So everything here is built with high quality plastic, and the earbuds inside also have very good quality, and everything here just screams premium and is also compared to earbuds that are more expensive in this category. Another thing that I love about these earbuds is the sound quality you get. Although this is an open ear earbuds, it still provides you with good enough dynamics. It sounds good as compared to many open ear earbuds that actually sounds quite muffled or probably not so high quality. I also like the battery life that you get with these earbuds, and it provides you with 10 hours of playback per charge and 30 additional hours with the case, giving you a total of 40 hours of playback time, which is plenty enough for you to use it in your workouts or anywhere that you would need an open ear earbuds. So there's also quick charging on this, so 10 minutes of charge will give you 3 hours of playback time, and you also get an IPX5 water resistant rating, which provides you good protection for when you use it in the gym or decide to just use it outside running in the rain. These earbuds wouldn't be a problem for you. Tronsmart also says that there's an app tube technology for minimal sound leakage, and from my test it does really provide quite a good protection from sound leakage, and the person next to you probably won't hear what you're listening to. So one area that I think could be better on these earbuds is the bass performance, and although these earbuds have a very dynamic sound signature, the bass performance here is still typical to an open ear earbud, where you don't get a lot of deep rumbling sub bass, and the mid bass is also a little bit weak, but this is quite typical to an earbuds like that. I also think that the chipsets that you get here could be better, especially when you're getting just a Bluetooth 5.3 chipset that supports only the SBC codec. Although better codecs are not quite necessary on earbuds like that, but it would be nice and also a good selling point to see higher res codecs provided on these earbuds. And finally, I also wish that there is a dedicated gaming mode on these earbuds, and that would really make the latency great for gaming, but you will still notice some latency when playing high-speed games. So the Tronsmart OpenFly 2 Pro comes in a very reasonable price of $60 US or around 259 Malaysia ringgit, which I think is a very good price for an earbuds like that, along with sound performance that you get from them. So if you find value in what you hear and like what you see, do subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so the YouTube algorithm can pick this up. And if you want to buy these earbuds, do check out my links below. So sound quality on these earbuds is really good for the type of earbuds that it is. So a lot better than the Open Rock S2 that I recently checked out that is close to 2 times the price. What you get here with these earbuds is a dynamic and powerful sound signature. A tad bit V-shaped for the extra warm and deeper sound signature. And sub-bass wise, I know it's trying very hard, but with these earbuds you hear the sub-bass but not so much feel it. So I got to a tiny bit of distortion when it hits the really low end stuff. Still, it's way better than earbuds which are really flat sounding. Mid bass here is decent. It's good enough that it gives you that dynamic sound signature, but nothing too powerful like in-ear earbuds. And vocal here is clean and clear. It's got a slight V-shaped recessed vocals which gives you that warmth, but it's nowhere muffled, which is very beautiful sounding. And if I would choose the best frequency on these earbuds, I would say it's the vocals. And highs here is good with nice clear highs. Doesn't sparkle as brightly as I wish, but still a very nice sounding frequency. You get very good instrumental separation, and from the way it is tuned, you're not getting any messy tones here, which is fantastic. This is where great tuning trumps any LDAC codec or high-res logo on the box. So this is a test to see if the Tronsmart OpenFly 2 Pro is a good earbud for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So let's talk a little bit about the design of the case. And this case is made of very high quality hard plastic. It doesn't feel like the type of plastic that would easily scratch. And on top of the lid here, you're going to get the Tronsmart branding, and at the back of the case is a Type-C charging port, as well as a small tiny LED at the front here to tell you the battery level of the case. And that's basically the design of the case. The lid here opens up nice and smoothly, and it stays open on its own. And inside the lid, you also get nice molding with some technical information about the earbuds as well. And if you notice, there is also two LEDs hidden inside the case itself. So Tronsmart allows you to put your earbuds in, and you will know that you actually have contact to the contact points inside when you see the LED light up, which is really cool. So the earbuds here has a very nice soft rubberized finish, and on the touch sensor surface you get the Tronsmart branding and also holes for the microphones, and behind it is also a speaker grill as well as the charging pins. So the earbud sits very nicely on the ears, and it has a very good fitting overall, especially if I wear glasses, and it doesn't really get in the way and it feels very comfortable wearing it. It is also angled very nicely, so when it sits on your ear, the speaker points accurately into your ear canals, which translates to greater sound signature as well as volume. So overall, at this price point that you're paying, I think this is a very well designed earbuds, very high quality, and I think can rival competitors such as the Shox Open Fit. So volume wise, I get to a comfortable listening volume at around 55% volume. It's not the loudest, and you do get to a comfy level pretty late in the range, and I get to a loud volume around 90% volume. 100% volume feels too loud for me, so you will still get some range if you find that you need a little bit more power. So the Tronsmart app here is simple and easy to navigate. At the homepage here, you're going to see your new earbuds, which you also get battery level and percentages for both earbuds and your case. Below that is media control and also a volume control. And on the second tab, you get 5 preset EQs to choose from, as well as a 5-band manual EQ to play with. On the third tab, this is where you get your controls remapping, and you get all the controls to remap to, just no gaming mode to choose from. At the homepage, you also get a settings button where you can update your firmware with, and that's all the features you get with the Tronsmart app. The latency here is decent but not latency free with these earbuds, and since it doesn't come with a dedicated gaming mode, playing games like PUBG sees a little bit of delay, not too major but still pretty noticeable. Watching movies and videos fortunately sees almost no delay. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So all in all, for an open earbuds like that, especially at this price point, I think Tronsmart really hit the nail on the head with this release, and I think it is one of the better open ear earbuds for this year. So if you want to also check out another option for an open ear earbuds that I've recently reviewed, which is the Open Rock S2, click right over here to check out that video. And if you want to check out a compilation of all the clip style earbuds that I've reviewed so far, which is very similar to this genre, click right over here, and I'll see you at those videos.